Guys, welcome to another video right here in Juba, South Sudan. And guess what, guys, today I am actually in Juba, and I just want to show you around, show you the beautiful part of this side of South Sudan. You can see like right over here, this side is super green. Maybe let me use the other road, which is really very short, because that one right over there, it's a bit far. So anyway, welcome to this amazing YouTube channel. This is Peter Reyes, your boy from South Sudan, East Africa, and the youngest country in the world. So guys, enjoy this video up to the end, and it's gonna be amazing. Don't miss any part of this video that I'll be showing you a lot of things that are, like, as you can see from the background. Actually, this place, this is where they do lay bricks, man. You can see everywhere, like even in front of me there are bricks. And look at this super green place, man. Wow, this tall like papyrus grass, and I hear the sounds of birds, you know, like listen. You can see the birds are just singing. And it's very early in the morning right here in South Sudan. You can see the beautiful sun is out, and right now the time is let me show you guys. You can see it's 9:32, and guys, I am actually not alone, you know. Guess what? I'm not alone. We are two, and I am with my bro right over here. We're just coming to explore this super evergreen part of South Sudan. Yeah, I'm really enjoying how cold this place is. You can see, man, we have like this huge eucalyptus. Yeah, can introduce myself. This is
my name is Bonfaith, and I'm a small YouTuber from South Sudan. I'm also trying to join the game, guys.
Okay,
so right now we're trying to explore this African village. Can you hear the birds chanting? Yeah, over there.
Yeah guys, I really do enjoy the sound of the birds, and even from the other side, you know.
Take them there. We have beautiful butterflies, all
Yeah,
colors.
I really love how green this place is, and it has been a while actually since I came here, and I'm coming here for the second time. Wow. And actually I think this one can be used for, is it for construction, making papyrus, and then
basically they can use it for construction
of houses. Yeah, these grass thatch houses. This one here, and the big ones are here, guys. Let me show you
the mature ones. Yeah,
the mature ones are here. I don't know if I can enter inside. Like this one here, man, you can see how it is. And it has actually, is this the seat? The seat?
Yeah, this is the seat.
No, let me show Hakim, because that guy is an agricultural.
No, this is what they use for making the papyrus.
Huh?
Let me show you guys. This is the real thing. This is the real thing. Yeah, this is the one they use. I think these are the seeds, but they're kind of young.
Okay, this is
premature.
But how about this one, which is
I think this one has formed. I don't know this one. It's soft, eh? Smooth.
Wow. Guys, you can see how this other part of Africa looks like. Africa is really nice, man. We are blessed with a lot of things. God didn't actually forget. God remembers Africa. God loves Africa. That's why we are blessed with such a beautiful evergreen place. And you can see the bricks are here, man. And these are actually the bricks that people are using for construction of houses, you know. These are the bricks that people are using for construction of their houses, and which is actually, this one is actually cheaper. These bricks are actually cheaper than the one which is actually the cement bricks, you know. These bricks are actually cheaper than the cement bricks. So Malaga. And guys, as I told you earlier, actually I'm still touring around this place, and there is activities going right over there. I've been here before, and I'm actually going to show you. You can see that one is just cleaning the cow. Oh. This one is right now, like this one is done. This is legs of hoofs. Oh, he's going to clean the hoofs of the cow. And you can see this how he has been cleaning. He has been cleaning most of them, like this one right over here, guys. Well, look at the hoofs, man. And we're going to start. We are going to start cleaning. Like I'm going to be also helping like a bit. Just pouring some water. Wow. Kini piang na ako nanyo? Lalani kini? So this water is actually going to wash the hoofs of the cow, you know. And then this is where it has been cooking, because if you didn't actually cook the legs of the cow, let me show you this one. See, like this one right over here. Just gets very fast, and the reason why it gets getting very fast because it is very well cooked, properly cooked, you know, using this drum right over here. And you can see the fire is just set. You can see the fire is just right over here set, and he's lighting the fire using this rubber band. See, this is the rubber band, guys, that he actually used for lighting the fire. That makes the fire actually burn very fast, but the smoke is really coming to this other side. Wow. So we're gonna try cleaning. Wow, look how very wide it is. So let me also start like cleaning mine, you know. First let me set you right over there. Aha. My knife is right over here. You can just lie a bit down. So we're gonna try like to clean. Papege. It's very hot, guys. Wow, basically, and then you can bring the camera closer, let them see. Very close. Okay. Camera. Wow. See how it is. Kalau ada tutup baju. Kamu dah?
Siapa?
Galeng lagu siapa?
Arba.
Galeng ko arba?
Arba ba, tama.
Arba be sabal. So guys, I'm just asking him like, is he selling this legs of the gold? And he's saying yes, selling 4 at 7,000, which is $1 and something of 2 cents, right? Yeah, around $1 and 2 cents. 4 of them. You can get 4 of these for $1 and like 2 cents. Wow. You can just return the camera. It's very hot, guys, since I'm just struggling with this one of mine, and he has already done like how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm still with one. Okay. Wow. Kona ko yingin mo? It's energy, man. Wow. You can see how it is actually done. Like this. Is it clean? Lotina ijo? Kula buntala. He's actually going to correct me. This one, yeah. This one is finally done. Hakim, you wanna try? So Hakim is going to try. You can try one. No, you can. You can push with mine, then you try. Oh. So Hakim is going to start his, and you can see there are many right over here. You can see how this one is, man. So this one 4 is just for $1.02, and this how actually he's surviving right over here. This is where he gets his money. This is where he gets his money. And guys, and if you actually guys, this one here is very healthy, because if you realize, like this water right over here, it's actually very clean compared to that one right over there. You see, this water is super very dirty and contaminated. Like you can see a lot of trash like in this other side, but it's making it possible, very possible to just use clean water, you know, for washing, like this cow urine for washing this goat hoofs, for cleaning the hoofs away. You can see jerrycan. This is the jerrycan actually is using for getting water from the other side, you know. Wow. Let me check whether there are others inside, but I think there is nothing. No, it's just empty. Very empty. Wow. Thank you so much. So guys, I'm just still here, so just keep on watching this video. Watch it up to the end. So love to Peter Reyes, so that you don't miss any video that I'll be uploading from this other side of South Sudan, East Africa. And that's the bricks. That's where actually people are laying bricks. And then we have a company in the other side, construction company right over there in that other side, guys, of Juba, South Sudan. So just keep on watching as we're going to be exploring and showing you a lot of things. My hands are really very dirty, you can see. Very dark because of the drum. This drum, I just touched this drum right over here, see, and he's still doing his work, man. Oh, so he's just going to take it to the market right over there, because we have just a market close by right over here, guys. Yeah, keep on enjoying this video. Right, guys, and we are still exploring. So as when we are using this route, actually we are going, this side takes us to the market, you know, to that side of the market. And Hakim is right over here. How's the experience, like of cleaning the
I'm even tired, I'm even sweating. My clothes are not dirty. But now that's the main road. We are heading to the market. Maybe if it reaches like 1 p.m. We are going to show you guys like how the whole thing is prepared. Like we are also going to test the soup. Yeah, that's if we get the time.
Yeah, if we get the time. And this is
like not pumpkin, it is something else.
and cannot be eaten, eh? So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Just keep on watching.